For some time now, at least for the past week, they've been hearing this noise each night just as they're drifting off to sleep. It's a deep, guttural breathing sound, like someone or something is inhaling and exhaling right outside their tent. But when they turn on their tent light and look out, there's nothing there. There are trees surrounding their campsite, but none of them are big enough to have something living in them that could be making such a sound. And yet the noise continues each night, driving them crazy